Hi there! A couple weeks ago or a month ago, I posted a short that involved a party trick with a glass of water, a paper plate, a toilet paper tube, and an egg. Oh, and a little bit of physics. I thought today we would go over the science behind that party trick and how you can make it work for yourself at home. So what you'll need to do this is a glass of water. So I have some glass and it's got water in it. A paper plate or a pie tin, some sort of kind of flat object. A paper towel tube or a toilet paper tube. And you'll need an egg. If you're not willing to try this with a real egg, I have found that those like EOS egg-shaped lip balms also work really well. This is a very simple trick where you take your glass of water at the bottom and you stack your paper plate on top of it, and then your paper towel tube, toilet paper tube, and then your egg on top of that. And then you tell somebody, I bet you that I can get this egg into this cup of water without touching it or breaking anything. And when they go, I bet you can't, you go, and you do it. But how does this work at the scientific level? Excuse me a second while I go pick up my toilet paper tube and paper plate. So what's happening is the two principles of physics, that is inertia and gravity. So starting with inertia. Inertia is the tendency of an object to stay at rest if it's at rest, or to keep moving if it keeps moving. So basically what that means is if I'm just staying here and I have a lot of inertia acting on me, I am just gonna stay still until I move. And then I'm gonna have a really hard time stopping moving until I stop moving. So if a ball is rolling, when that ball starts to roll, then that ball is going to keep rolling until something slows it down. And what that is air resistance and gravity slow down the ball. But if there weren't those things in place, inertia would keep that ball rolling forever and ever and ever. So what's happening here is that when I set up my paper plate and my toilet paper tube and I put my egg on top, the egg is staying still. The egg, the toilet paper tube, and the paper plate are all staying still. But when I hit the paper plate and the toilet paper tube move. Because I applied a force to them, I started them moving. I didn't apply a force to the egg, so the egg is still staying still because I didn't touch the egg, just I applied a force to the paper plate. So the egg is staying still because of inertia. But also, because of gravity, pulling everything down, the egg eventually will drop straight down in the cup of water, but no force is pulling it sideways, so it's not gonna go sideways. And I can do it again and splash water everywhere. So because when that happens, again, the egg is just chilling, it's staying still, it doesn't wanna move until something acts upon it because of its inertia. And nothing is acting upon it because I didn't touch the egg, I just touched the paper plate and applied a force to that. The paper plate starts moving one way, the egg stays still for a second until gravity kicks in, and then it drops down into the plate. This is a super fun trick to try at home, and if you get like a bigger tray and 3 toilet paper tubes and 3 cups of water, you can actually do 3 at one time. Takes a little bit of practice though. So I hope you all enjoyed learning a little bit about the physics behind this egg drop trick. Please try it at home. It's like actually kind of addicting to do. Our fun fact we're going to rate today is that it is the combination of inertia and gravity that keeps the Earth in orbit around the sun. Without those two things, we would just fly off into space forever and ever and ever with nothing to stop us. Please drop that rating for the fun fact in the comments below. Like this video, subscribe to my channel. Please follow me on Instagram. I post every Tuesday and Friday, and keep it sciencey.